Hello, and welcome back to Facebook Mastery. Today we're going to learn how you can add more admin to your page. Now this is an easy one. First, go to your Facebook business page, then click on settings right here. Click that, and then scroll down, find this one, page rule, on the column on the left. Click that, and you'll be here. Now, type the name of the person you want to be an admin on this page. I'll just type my friend's name. Okay, click him, and then over here from editor, change to admin. Okay, now click add. Now they ask you for your password. Just type your password. And click submit. Now as you can see, the invitation is pending. Now all he has to do is accept it and he'll become an admin on your Facebook page. Now that's all for today. If you find this video useful, please like it and subscribe. Thank you for watching.